Let's crush an instant nerdle. Instant nerdle is a scrambled up math equation that I have to unscramble. So we just have division today, which is kind of tough. But when you have division, you always have a triple digit number, and then it's divided by either a double digit number and that equals a single digit number, or it's divided by a single digit number and that equals a double digit number. Just to start off, I'm going to assume that the equal sign goes here, and then division sign is always going to go here after a triple digit number. And then I like to work with the ones digits and try to reverse engineer what could be happening here. So with division, you can division's hard. Trying to figure out what divides into what is difficult. I think it's easier to think about if we do multiplication, and if you just do the equation in reverse, you can act like you're multiplying. So whatever this number is, 2 times this number is going to have to equal this number. For example, I'm just going to work from left to right. If I put a 7 in this spot, 2 times 7 is 14, so this number would have to end in a 4 for that to work. We don't have a 4, so if this is the structure of the thing, a 7 can't go here. If I put a 3 here, this number would end in a 6. That does work, so now I can try some other numbers in these spots. And now that I'm getting to the tens digit, I'm immediately seeing that 2 times a number in this spot, the only way that it gets into triple digit number territory is numbers above 5. Even if I use a 9, the biggest number that we have here, we're only getting into the hundreds, and I don't have a 1, so this can't be possible, because 2 times any double digit number, biggest number it could be as a triple digit number is in the hundreds, and we don't have a 1, so this just doesn't work. So immediately I can tell that the equal sign does not go here, and it's going to have to go here. And now I'm using kind of the same system. I'm checking this ones digit number with this number and seeing if we can get a number here that works. 7 doesn't work for the same reason. 2 times 7 is 14. This can't be a 4. This does work as a 3. This could be a 6. And then this number, so now we're just multiplying by 3 though. No, yeah, that 3 doesn't work here because the biggest number I can put here is 9. And then, so the 3-digit numbers we can make are going to be in the 100s or 200s, and that doesn't work because only 2 is here and we don't have a 1. So 3 doesn't work. Put an 8 here. That seems more reasonable. We're dealing with like a bigger multiplier. So 8 times 2 is 16, so this does work so far. 9. It's got to be 9. It's in the 700s. This is probably the answer. 92 times 8, yeah, 736. There's an instant nerdle for you, dude. There it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.